Travel smarter with a 6-in-1 worldwide adapter. This versatile adapter features 4 interchangeable plugs that work in over 200 countries and regions, including the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and more. Excludes South Africa and India. With 6 charging ports, including 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 1 AC socket, you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. Perfect for iPhones, laptops, tablets, cameras, and more. It's designed for speed and convenience. Safety is built in, with features like a 10A fuse, safety shutters, and a plug lock system. Stay powered up wherever you go with the Essager Thin Wireless Power Bank. This sleek, ultra-thin charger features magnetic wireless charging with MagSafe compatibility and a 5,000 mAh capacity to keep your devices running all day. With 20W fast charging, compact, lightweight, and travel-ready, it's your go-to solution for staying connected on flights, adventures, or busy workdays. Never run out of battery again. The Essager Power Bank has you covered. Transform your travel experience with the Nomad G06 gaming headset, your ultimate companion for peace and focus on the go. These noise-canceling headphones block out distractions, whether it's the hum of an airplane or the chatter of a busy cafe, letting you immerse yourself in music, podcasts, or gaming. I've personally relied on them for relaxation during long flights and for staying focused while working in noisy environments. Plus, with its 2.4 GHz ultra-low latency and long battery life, perfect for gaming, travel, or everyday use.